Guys, do you play car parking multiplayer? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download the modded version, which gives you unlimited money. As you can see, guys, I got 47 million. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. No jailbreaker computer needed. So let's get right into the video. And I'm going to show you guys how to get this insane car parking multiplayer modded version, guys, installed right away. This is super insane, guys, and it actually works. I mean, I don't know what they did, but it is fully updated, guys, and it's super insane. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. So as you can see in the car parking multiplayer, I have a ton of money, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this crazy modded version onto your phone. No jailbreak or computer is needed for this video. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is go to this website. It's called zoomods.com, and it has a ton of mods for apps and games. So once you're on this site, guys, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in car parking multiplayer. So let me just do that right here. So as you can see, guys, it's I can't spell, bro. I cannot spell, bro. As you can see, it says car parking multiplayer mod, so just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got like a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys, because it's super insane. It actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it, because there's lots of people out there that are poor and they can't afford to play car parking multiplayer. But like, guys, you do not have to even do that. Like, you can just download this crazy modded version and you can get everything for free. So let me just show you guys right here. Look how much the game costs, bro. Like, it is not cheap, bro. As you can see, look at the coin cost. So yeah, if you want to get everything for free, guys, just go to ZooMods and then you can download this like modded version of the car parking multiplayer. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super insane, guys, and it fully works. So yeah, this is super awesome, guys, and if you like to play car parking multiplayer, you are gonna love this. I got so rich from this, it's insane. I don't know what they did, bro, but as you can see, I have a ton of money. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, this is super awesome and it fully works, guys. So be sure to get the word out just so like more people know about the method, because like I'm not sure like too many people really know about this, but it is fully working, guys, so it's super cool. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, this is super awesome, guys. You can get this insane car parking multiplayer modded version installed, guys, so be sure to get the word out just so like more people know about the method. But yeah, this is super cool, guys, and it is actually updated, so be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel just so I can like educate the masses, and peace out.